Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you my go-to layered haircut for the salon floor. It's super easy and really fast. I think you're going to love it. We start with the center profile section. We direct a piece of hair from the hairline and cut our desired guide. This will be the shortest length in the haircut, increasing in length rapidly towards the back zone. This becomes our guide for the front zone on both sides, where every future section is directed back to this guide, increasing the length from the first section to the perimeter of the haircut with seamless over direction. This technique is called an increased layer, as it increases in length from the front to the back of the haircut, and also increases in length from the first guide into the side perimeter of the haircut. This is an amazing tool to cut your layers whilst cutting face framing at the same time, with perfectly executed precision and symmetry on both sides of the face once completed. If I cut the guide shorter, it would automatically place perfect curtain bangs, blending into face framing. The mechanics of this haircut can be super fast and really efficient on the salon floor. You will notice my body position stays stationary whilst cutting, over directing every section back to the center guide. You'll notice my elbow elevating up in line with my cutting angle. All of these steps help to create precision and symmetry and balance in your end result. My elevation is 90 degrees straight up. You can push your elevation forward towards the face if you'd like a more rapid increase in length from short to long. This haircut is the OG of the new butterfly haircut. I'm sure you always see new names for old haircuts, but technically this is a butterfly haircut. We repeat this exact process on the opposite side. If you'd like to see more layered haircuts, you should watch the playlist above. Uncover all the mechanics from triangular layers, square layers, round layers. I even have a tutorial explaining in depth the differences between all three shapes, and some really cool advanced layered haircuts combining multiple shapes. Here's a different perspective to see my body position, my over direction of my future sections, my elevation and cutting angle. All of these techniques help to maintain a perfectly balanced haircut. Once we reach the back zone, we take our guide from the apex zone. If we have very long hair, we could continue to cut an increased triangular cutting line. In this situation, I have chosen to cut with a flat square cutting angle. Our distribution will be over-directed back to the center guide on both sides, creating a triangular shape horizontally and vertically square with the cutting angle. So we've just connected our increased layer in the front zone and connecting it into a flat square layer in the back zone with triangular distribution, where we over direct all of the future sections into the center, which will gradually and rapidly build length into the sides, maintaining maximum length and creating amazing body at the same time. If you have learned something new and you value my work, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe icons to support my channel, and let me know in the comments below, where in the world are you watching from? If you struggle understanding the differences and the mechanics and the results of what the different layering techniques do, check out the theory video I've created. It's in my bio and in the card above. Once we have completed both sides, I flat wrap, blow dry, and prepare the hair for soft point cutting and refining. I elevate and trace the same sectioning pattern as the haircut, whilst point cutting into the ends to soften and add soft texture. You could use slicing techniques and also deep point cut, depending on the client's hair texture and desired result. This is a classic, basic layered haircut that is very easy to cut. One of my go-tos on the salon floor. If you value my work, please support my channel by liking and subscribing. And if you liked this tutorial, I'm sure you will love this one too. Thanks for watching.